Hello everyone, my name is Benny and today we're going to be learning all about animals and looking at the sounds that start at the beginning of each animal name. Let's start with B. What insect is this? It's a bee. Bee. Can you say bee? This is a bear. Bear. Can you say bear? Do you know what animal this is? It's called a bilby. B-I-L-B-E. Bilby. Can you say bilby? This animal likes to fly. It's a bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Can you say bird? And finally, we have a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Can you say butterfly? The next letter we're going to look at is C. It makes the K sound. This animal says meow. It's a cat. K-A-T. Can you say cat? This animal has claws. It's a crab. K-R-A-B. Can you say crab? This animal starts with the letter C, but two of these letters come together to make one sound, which is ch. This animal is called a chick. Ch-I-K. Can you say chick? Our next letter is D. Now, what animal is this? It's a duck. D-U-C. Can you say duck? This animal is called a deer. Can you say deer? Now this animal no longer exists and you won't see it anywhere. It's called a dinosaur. Dinosaur begins with the letter D. Dinosaur. Can you say dinosaur? This animal you find in the sea. It's called a dolphin. Dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Our final D word is a dingo. D-I-N-G-O. Dingo. Can you say dingo? Our next letter is the letter E. You also make the sound E when you see the letter E. Can you say eel? E-O. Eel. This is an elephant. Elephants are beautiful animals. They have long trunks. Elephant. Can you say elephant? Next few words begin with the letter F. When you look at the words that begin with the letter F, they make the sound F. This is a fish. A fish is usually found in the sea. Sometimes it can also be found in ponds and rivers, but it can also be found in a fish bowl or a fish tank. Can you say fish? Ribbit. You guessed it, it's a frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Have a go at saying frog. Our final F word is a fox. Fox. Have you ever seen a fox before? Have a go at saying fox. Our next letter is the letter G. This is a goat. Have you ever heard of the three billy goats gruff? It's just like that. Can you say goat? Another animal that begins with the letter G is a giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. Can you say giraffe? Our next letter is the letter H. The letter H makes the sound. Have you ever seen a hippo before? Can you say hippo? If you've ever been to the farm, you might have seen a horse. Have a go at saying horse. This animal's name begins with the letter K, which makes the K sound. It's a kangaroo. A kangaroo has a small pouch in front of its body. Sometimes it holds its baby in this pouch. Have you ever seen a kangaroo before? Have a go at saying kangaroo. This is a lion. It begins with the L sound. Have you ever seen a lion? Can you have a go at saying lion? This is an insect and it's called a ladybird. It begins with the oo sound. Can you have a go at saying ladybird? Our next animal begins with the sound and the letter M. It's a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Monkeys love to eat lots of different things, but they especially love bananas. Can you say monkey? This is a mouse. Ow, s. Have a go at saying mouse. Our final M word is a meerkat. Ear-k-at. Meerkat. Have a go at saying meerkat. This is an owl. O and W together make the owl sound. That's why we say owl, owl. Have a go at saying owl. This is an octopus. An octopus has 8 tentacles. Can you count them on the card? Have a go at saying octopus. Now we're going to look at animals that begin with the P sound. This animal is a bird and it's called a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrots like to repeat words that their owners say to them. They are very intelligent animals. Can you say parrot? This is a penguin. Penguins like to waddle around here, there and everywhere. Can you say penguin? This animal is called a possum. Possum. Can you have a go at saying possum? The next sound we're going to be looking at is the letter R. The letter R makes the R sound. This animal is a rabbit. R-A-B-I-T. Rabbit. Can you have a go at saying rabbit? Another word beginning with the R sound is rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E. Rooster. Can you have a go at saying rooster? Now, do you know what animal this is? It's a shark. A shark has really sharp teeth. Shark. Shark. Have a go at saying shark. This is a tiger. It begins with the letter T, which makes the T sound. T-I-G-E. Tiger. Have a go at saying tiger. Another animal that lives in the sea is a whale. Whale begins with the W sound. Whale. Have a go at saying whale. The last letter in the English alphabet is Z. An animal that begins with the letter Z is a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z. Can you have a go at saying zebra?